guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those that are new, I'm Kaylee, and my videos is all about beauty, fashion, and
makeup. Hairdo.
yeah, beauty and fashion. As you can see by today's caption, guys, my boyfriend will be doing my makeup. Please introduce yourself.
Well, my name is Nakim. First of all, I'm Kaylee's boyfriend, and I'm just gonna leave it at that.
Okay. Without further ado, let's get into this video. First things first.
What do we put on first, guys? Please help me. Comment if you think foundation or concealer, one of those. I know that's first. What is this stuff? What is this? Okay, this also looks like a foundation. I'm not sure which one first. Concealer or foundation, but I think foundation, concealer. Concealer sound like you have to conceal something on your face, and foundation sounds like you have to lay a foundation. So foundation, I think first, and then concealer.
Ooh, it's going to be a long video. I wonder how am I gonna look.
Oh snap! I missed on me.
Wow, my product. I
Shouldn't worry about the product.
Let's start.
Guys, some
This
foundation.
is before.
Some foundation first. Okay, let's try to do this. Wait. I think I've watched one of her videos, so I think she puts here. Okay. I don't know. Doing the right thing.
Ooh, not too much.
Not too much.
My foundation is going to be empty. Oh my word. Here we go.
Something here. Okay, let's start. Let me just close this up. She
We
helped
started
me.
with this.
I don't know. I just think that's the right way to do it. You're gonna look so beautiful, I promise you. I'm James Charles' cousin.
Oh, shame. In your dreams. There's only one James Charles.
But I'm his cousin.
He's the best.
After this, I'm gonna be a professional makeup artist.
Wow.
I'm gonna quit my daily job. I'm gonna be a professional makeup artist. Sorry. Okay, I think this is perfect so far. Let me just see. I don't know if the whole face must be done. Oh, sorry. I don't know if the whole face must be done. I see a difference. Can you guys see a difference? Zoom in. Zoom. I don't know. I don't know if I see a difference, but now I can see a difference. I don't know if you guys can see on the camera. Just I'll zoom it into you. Zoom. Next, I think it's a concealer. I hope so. I think it's a concealer. There we go. This is a concealer. So.
Don't press too hard. Please, Lord.
I won't press hard.
My God, all my product.
She's more worried about the product. Wait, let me put some here.
Yo.
James Charles. On another level. On another level. I don't know if the concealer blends in. Oh my God. Oh, I hope so. I'm doing quite a good job.
Let's see.
I think that's it, guys. I don't know if that is for the face. I don't know. I don't know if it's a good job. But next we're gonna use what do you use next? Let me think.
Try eye look.
Eyeshadow. Okay, we're gonna do the eyeshadow next. palette. You call it a palette, yeah. There we go. So I think I'm gonna use what color goes?
Just go boss.
Cute.
I think you should go boss. You should just go boss.
Boss. I'm gonna use.
You.
I think she looks beautiful. I think she looks beautiful, guys. If you agree she looks beautiful, please comment.
I don't know why. Okay.
I don't know why. I don't know why. It's a song, right? But I know I love you. I don't know much.
Also, guys, for all the support so far, thank you so much.
Thank you so.
Thank you for all the support so far, guys. Thank you to all the subscribers, all the subscribers, all the views, all the likes. Thank you for the support. Are we going to try another color? I think we should add another color.
We is.
Okay, we're going for.
Let's see what color goes nice for that one. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna take the yellow.
Just going for the yellow. Go boss.
The yellow.
Okay. One of my favorite YouTubers, Adeline Moran or Morin. I'm not sure how you pronounce her surname. But she is extremely.
She loves yellow first
She
of all.
loves yellow. She loves yellow. And the more I watch her, the more I can see what she sees in yellow. She always says it's a happy color. And it's the honest truth. And now all of a sudden it feels like yellow or mustard yellow is my favorite color. Like I'm obsessed with yellow roses, sunflowers.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm doing a good job.
One last color.
One last color. What? I'm gonna use a dark color. I'm gonna use the purple one. Is this purple?
Pink.
Pink.
Ooh. Pink. Guys, don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Kaylee Hendricks, Instagram Kaylee or KayWee 22. I will leave my links below. And on Facebook page Little Rubies. I call them my little rubies because a ruby is very rare. It's like a diamond.
Like a diamond in the sky.
Copyright. Copyright. Please, let's not forget.
Rihanna won't actually. Oh, damn!
Yo.
I think she looks beautiful.
Yo. Okay, what's next? Oh my god, eye pencil. I'm so scared. What if he pokes me in my eye?
Eye pencil.
Oh my god, please be very careful. Very careful. Ooh.
Eye pencil. No, that is for something else. Eye pencil. I won't poke her in the eye.
Yo.
But this eye pencil don't wanna come off.
It does come over. Woo! You just don't know how to use it. Oh my god. If you want to see more of this video, don't forget, leave a thumbs up and subscribe and share this video.
She's going like this all time.
Because he's pressing the eye pencil in my eye.
Okay, next.
Ooh. I actually have two.
Mascara.
I'm sure you know for what this is.
Yeah, obviously. This
Yeah.
is. Oh, this is for. Wait, I think the top one. Huh? The top one first.
Yeah. Yeah.
I can't just put the stuff out. She's like.
Because I'm scared you're gonna poke my eye out. Yeah.
She's so afraid of. She's like the whole time. She's like the whole time.
Try this one.
Okay.
Try this one. My Molly, Miss Molly.
Let's
So
try
this
this
eye.
one.
I think this eye have enough. For safety reasons. Ooh, ooh.
Ah.
Let's leave it at that.
I'm gonna show you again now that one. That flash quickly.
Let's leave it at that. Next. Lip. I
Lipstick.
think that's it. This is an Avon lipstick. It's a lip gloss actually. But it's more like a lipstick. It's Avon color trend.
Okay, I'm gonna use this one. This one looks cool.
Ooh. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. It actually matches my eyes. I'm just not sure about the blue, but not too bad.
Oh, there's one thing I
Comment
still
below.
need to do. I still need to make his cheeks nice and red.
Yeah.
Where is it?
Ooh.
Yeah,
Fingers.
I'm gonna use my finger.
Ooh.
So yeah, let's use this color.
Yo. Yo. If you're under the age of 12, please don't try this at home. Yo.
I'm gonna turn it into it.
Yo. Right.
I think she looks beautiful. Beautiful.
Yo.
I think that's it, guys. What do you think? Does she think you look cute?
Yo, guys. I've never went so all out with my makeup. Yo. Guys, how does it look? Please comment below. Do you think I should go outside like this? Look at the detail of my eyes. There's blue on top. There's a little yellow in the middle. And then there's pink on my lid. And only the one eye have mascara and the other one don't have mascara. For the eye pencil, I don't know what the hell is going on. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't wait to wipe off my face. Yo, where did we go to? Please let us end of this video. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a like. And also, once again, thank you for all the support. Until next time, guys. Bye.
Peace.